Hi, I'm Miss Sam, based in the Jericho and Wantor office locations, and you might be wondering what I'm doing blowing bubbles through a straw into a cup. Well, today we're going to be discussing a voice therapy exercise called straw phonation exercise. This can help a patient who might be experiencing vocal tightness, tension, or who might have a harsh, raspy, or hoarse sounding voice. For a patient with vocal nodules or just some tension going on, what you can do is you can take a cup with a little bit of water, stick a straw in it, and have the patient blow bubbles for several seconds while humming, and do it several times in a row. And they can do that in the session and when they get home throughout the day. You can also do this with the straw out of the cup as well, so just blowing through the straw, singing a song, humming, and that also releases tension in the vocal folds as well. So that is my therapy tip of the day, focusing on voice therapy exercises. Please feel free to reach out with any questions, as I love talking about and learning about the voice, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.